What's up peeps, this is Todd and welcome back to my show. Today we're going to go over exactly how to house hack. If that sounds good, let's hop into the video. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, you might not know, but I am a house hack enthusiast. My wife and I bought a house in 2015, we rented out all the bedrooms and we kept buying houses to rent out by the bedroom, and over the past few years, it made us $3 million. So needless to say, I am definitely drinking the Kool-Aid when it comes to house hacking because I think that everybody should do it. Now instead of playing the YouTube algorithm game where I have a 2-minute long introduction and I finally give you the answer at the end of a 16-minute long video so I get more ad revenue, I'm just going to tell you all the goods right now. So without further ado, here is how you house hack. The first thing you do is, well, you buy a house. You buy a primary residence, whether that is a single family home, a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex. You can buy up to 4 units as a primary residence, and you certainly do want to buy it as a primary residence because you don't have to put 20% down, and also you get a lower interest rate. Now I'll also have all sorts of videos about how to save up for a down payment and how to get the best rates and all of that stuff, but for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to keep it short and sweet about exactly how to house hack. So after you bought your primary residence, then you're going to rent out the extra bedrooms or the extra units. It just totally depends on what type of house you purchased. So in a single family home, you want to occupy the master bedroom, and then you rent out the additional bedrooms to offset your mortgage. If you bought a duplex, then of course you live in one half, and then you can either Airbnb the other half or rent it out to a family. And same thing if you bought a triplex or a fourplex, you can live in one of the units, rent out the other two, whether that's on Airbnb or the more traditional route. In my experience, room rentals are the most bang for your buck. That's because if the market rent for a house or a unit is, let's say, $2,000, if instead you rent out that house by the bedroom, you can get 2 to 3 times market rent. Now with Airbnb, you can actually get a lot more than 3 times market rent, but it's a lot more work because you have basically a new guest staying with you every single night. So room rentals are the most bang for your buck. So now you're living in a primary residence that you own. You have offset the cost by either renting out the spare bedrooms or renting out the additional units, and you are living for free. Stay in that house and stay living for free for 12 months and then buy your next primary residence. If you keep doing this, in just a few short years, you're going to have 3 properties. All of them will be cash flowing. You'll be living for free and you can pretty much retire. That is essentially what my wife and I did. We are both 29 now. We probably could have retired at 27, but our goals are a little bit too ambitious for that. So we both continue to work now, but it's really just because we enjoy it and we like the game of making money. But I hope this video is helpful to you, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.